Hi everybody, it looked good. The previous test, I made sure that the PCB should be no problem. No smelling of the burning on the ESC, and able to connect the transmitter and the receiver, and the flight control was is a function. Look like it's normal, but I have one issue. Now the flight control okay, the ESC okay. When take off, I can do all the maneuver, but the right servo cannot get down of the aileron. Left is okay, right is not okay. That's why the scenario is the plane when doing in the remote is able to roll one side but another side. I hold it on hand and adjusted one of the servo have the problem as I mentioned before, only able to go up and not able to go down. So I will show you the video why I have these observations. Battery. Okay, make sure there's a new battery. I checked before. Pop the battery in. I will put the battery like this just in case I can unplug the battery when it gets burned. Where's the canopy? Yeah. By minute. As normal. Master on the remote, but before I make sure that's on remote and the photo on 0. 1, 2, 3. I intentionally don't going to do the calibrations. I'm going to start motor and hold the nose line like this so I can control the airplane not going to fly somewhere else. Pop, photo up. Just in case, I can unplug the battery very quick. Up, down, you see? Left, right is normal because you get rid of the servo. Just the counter rotation of two motor. Right, left, right, left, normal. Photo up. Now I'm doing the roll, which is rudder when flying vertically. Photo up, little bit. Roll to the left is normal, but see, I'm going to roll to the right. 3, 2, 1. You see? This servo function, the left side servo function, but the right servo it didn't move. The right servo go up is okay, but go down was locked. This one, you see? Motor shut down.